To import Semrush projects, you need to start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the Projects tab. Here you will see a list of all your existing projects and an option to create a new project or import an existing one. Click on the Import Project button and select the type of project you want to import. Semrush allows you to import projects from other Semrush accounts or from other tools like Hrefs or Moz. If you are importing from another Semrush account, you will need to enter the email address of the account that owns the project and the ID of the project you want to import. You can find the project ID in the URL of the project page. Once you have entered the required information, click the Import button and Semrush will start importing the project. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of the project. If you are importing from another tool, you will need to upload a file containing the project data. The file should be in a format that Semrush supports, such as CSV or XML. When importing a project, it is essential to ensure that the data is accurate and up to date. This will help you to get the most out of your Semrush project and make informed decisions about your digital marketing strategy. It is also important to review the project settings and adjust them as needed after the import is complete. This includes setting the target location and language and configuring the keyword tracking and technical audit settings. By following these steps, you can easily import Semrush projects and start analyzing and improving your digital marketing efforts. It is crucial to regularly review and update your projects to ensure you are getting the most out of the tool and achieving your marketing goals. Additionally, it is a good practice to keep your projects organized by using clear and descriptive names and categorizing them by topic or campaign. This will help you to quickly find the project you need and make it easier to manage multiple projects at once. Overall, importing Semrush projects is a straightforward process that can help you to streamline your digital marketing workflow and get more out of the tool. By following best practices and keeping your projects up to date, you can use Semrush to inform your marketing strategy and drive real results for your business.